Chewbacca Goggles 3D Model. With this 3D model, you can make Chewbacca's goggles, from Vandor Heist. With this guide, we will see the different parts to print in 3D. Also remember to add the support, before sending to print, and how to add the lens. We will remove the support. I recommend using black filament, to better apply the metallic dye. We can sand, to improve the support area. We will use this ring, to put the lens. We will print the other side. We will also print these buckles. Once we have all the printed pieces, we will continue with the painting. To give the metallic color, we will use this cream, which comes in various metal colors. We can also use other brands. With a cloth, we can apply the metallic cream. For the most difficult areas to reach, we can use a brush. Once we paint like metal, we must seal with gloss, and to prevent the cream from coming out, for this, we will use Liquitex gloss. Once we seal with gloss, we will put a 2mm or 3mm foam for the base. Optionally, you can indicate how far to put glue. With a sharp blade, we will cut the edge. On the outside, we can cut with scissors. We can seal the foam with heat. For the lenses, we can use flat or curved PET from a bottle. I prefer to use the curved one, so it gives a more real effect to a lens. We will indicate an area outside the ring. We will cut with scissors that area. We will indicate the ring inside, to know where to put the glue. We will put glue throughout the area, outside of what we indicate. Always out of line. We will also put in the ring. We will fix the lens to the ring. With a toothpick or stick, we can remove the excess glue. Now with scissors, we will cut to the edge of the ring. The curved effect makes the lens more real. We will fix the rings to the goggles with glue. We will do it with fresh glue to let it dry. We will fix with paper tape. The same on the other side. We remove the paper tape. We will cut the slots to be able to pass the support. The strips for the support can be made of 3mm foam, or directly with leather, or synthetic leather. We cut along the indicated lines. The idea is that we can pass it through the slots. They can be separate strips attached with Velcro, or you can put elastic joining both ends. In my case, I am going to cover the strips with synthetic leather. We'll cut to the edge. Before joining the strip, we will pass the buckle. The buckle is not functional, it is only for appearance. We will attach the strip to the goggle. We will do the same with the other strip. We will put a strip between both lenses. We will join to close the strip. Here at the ends, we can put Velcro or elastic as I mentioned before. In my case, I will put elastic joining both strips. We will put glue on both sides of the end. We will put the elastic covering the strips.